Hi you guys, I'm back with a new video. This is kind of a requested video because I know nobody can go to a nail salon right now, and anyway people were asking about how to remove tan at home and stuff. So this is a video. I have curated a manicure at home video, and it's a detanning video too. Anyway, we are not getting tan right now because we are not going out. So yeah, I've created this video. This is basically the most basic things that you can use at home. I haven't used any particular nail product. I have used whatever I have at home so that nobody has to go out for buying anything. And also for this video I collaborated with Foxy. They're amazing. They have collaborated with me so that I can get this awareness out for you guys. Just sit at home, chill, relax. You don't need to go out to get your beauty essentials. You can achieve them at home. So shout out to them. Also check the app for more beauty related content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's really important. And yeah, let's just get started. So this is how my nails were looking. They were completely chipped. So the first thing I'll do is remove my nail paint, and for that I'm going to use the Cara nail remover wipes. This is the only thing that I use. I don't use any direct acetone. I don't like it, and I think this one has amazing oil so that your nails are not dehydrated at all. So I love using them, and they come for something around 80 to 100 bucks, which is amazing. And you can use one pad to remove all your nail polish in one go, so you don't need to waste a lot of cotton or anything. So yeah, first step is this. After you have removed all your nail polish, you need a nail foiler, and this is the only tool that I'm going to use. I don't have any other tool, and honestly you don't need it because it's a basic, the most simple manicure you can do. So I'm just going to file my nails, and I don't know how to really explain it. Basically I file the sides first and then the top. I also reduce the size of it a bit. I have really small nails, and yeah, so I just did that. Next step will be scrub. So you can use a face scrub if you don't have a body scrub. This is what I am doing. I'm using the st.ives coffee scrub. I love this. This smells heavenly. So make sure you just scrub off your dead skins really nicely, and make sure you do it on both of your hands and not only one hand. So yeah, just rub them really nicely, and you don't need to be super gentle also, and let them rest for 1 or 2 minutes before you wipe them off or wash them off. So you will notice a difference instantly. Your hands will look more brighter. Now it's time for the mask. So I'm using this Tjori mask. This is a face and body mask, and yeah, this is for detanning as well. So you can use rose water or you can use normal water with this. If you don't have this, use any other detanning mask, or you can DIY a mask also. So right now I'm just applying it to my hands, and I'll let them sit for around 10 minutes before I wipe them off. So guys, if you're doing this at home after watching my video, please make sure that you click a picture and post it on Instagram and tag me. My Instagram ID and my page is down in the description box below. It's linked there. So I love to see that you guys are doing what I am doing, and we can make our hands look pretty together.
A few moments later.
Now that they're dry, I'm going to wash them off, and here is how my hands look. I was so happy with the result. Look how nice and supple and bright they look. So now use any moisturizer that you love. It can be a moisturizer, it can be a body butter, anything that you like, and just give your hands a nice massage, and that's it. You are done. And honestly, you will feel really good. You don't need to have expensive products or tools for this. Just a simple manicure. Just take care of yourself this quarantine. And now for the nail polish. So I'm not going to apply the nail polish on all of my fingers because I need to cook. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the shade. This is my favorite one. This is from O.P.I. It's in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and this is how the shade looks. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and see you with my next video.